What's up guys, it's Burning Rubber here. Today we're going to do 3 modifications on the B9 Audi A4. So the first one that we're going to do is go ahead and use the coilovers to our advantage. We're going to be raising the car up by about an inch. I know it's going to look not as nice, but there's also a convenience role that we want to take into account. Just getting out of the driveway and just driving on roads is very paranoid for me, since any bump could cause scraping.
Yeah, and we don't want to lose that bumper too.
Yeah, don't want to lose the front, that's for sure.
So this is the tools we're going to be using.
Just the cool H&R coilovers came with 2 spanner wrenches that allows us to increase the distance of the spring, and so we'll be doing that. On top of that, we'll also be installing this lip that I bought a few days ago for $99. We're gonna see how it looks.
Cool, so what is it? This is 3M tape along with some screws.
Yeah, it has a few fasteners in these holes. I know it's 3 pieces, but these guys combine into one lip.
Cool.
And then finally, we're gonna update the lug bolts. So we got these black ones. Nice. The ones that came with the rims themselves when I first installed them were these silver, which really stand out, and I don't like that. So I reached out to Tire Rack, asking them for any suggestions, and they were nice enough to send some free ones in for me. So nice. Thanks for that.
Cool. Sweet.
All right.
So let's get started with the lip then.
Yep.
Alrighty. Let's do this.
Guys, we finished installing the lip. It took about 30 to 45 minutes. So the 3 pieces were combined together as we showed earlier, and then the 2 side pieces, they had a double-sided 3M tape, and then there's also 8 different fasteners along the entire lip that hold it to the bumper. I think it looks pretty sweet. Once we lower the car, I think it's going to look really good. The cool thing about it is it doesn't lower the car by that much. The front section, yes, it does, maybe about like an inch or so, but the 2 sides, you can see right here, if it does rub, it's rubbing against this plastic, which is designed for that.
Right.
Cool.
But so yeah, that'll kind of protect your bumper.
Yep.
So $100.
And even
not a bad deal.
If it does break, it's $100.
Right.
It's fine.
Cool. Awesome.
Now let's go ahead and raise the car up a little bit so that we don't lose the front.
All right, so let's do that.
So we're gonna just make a reference mark of where this bottom surface is. It'll help us determine how much 1 inch is away from it.
Cool, so
and
we're gonna measure up an inch from that mark.
Yeah. As you guys could see, we're exactly 1 inch above where that reference line is.
Nice.
Looks like we are good for this large ring, and now we're gonna tighten up the smaller one up against the large one so it doesn't slide down anymore.
Cool.
So let's do that.
Nice. Easy process, huh?
Yeah, very easy.